Hello children, welcome back to our online classes. This is for class 9th English. Children, we are doing comprehension passage of this unit because lessons are already explained to you. Now, in our previous video we have done one of the comprehension of passage. Let us do the second one. Our first unit, A reading, The Snake and the Mirror. Read the following passage from the lesson The Snake and the Mirror. The passage is, one feels tempted to look into the mirror when it is near. I took a look. In those days I was a great admirer of my beauty and I believed in making myself look more handsome. I was unmarried and was a doctor. I felt that I had to make my presence felt. I picked up the comb and ran it through my hair and adjusted the parting so that it looked straight and neat. Again I heard that sound from above. I took a close look at my face in the mirror. I made an important decision. I would shave daily and grow a thin moustache to look more handsome. I was, after all, a bachelor and a doctor. I looked into the mirror and smiled. It was an attractive smile. I made another earth-shaking decision. I would always keep that attractive smile on my face to look more handsome. I was, after all, a bachelor and doctor too on the top of it. Again came that noise from the above. I got up, lit a bidi and paced up and down the room. Then another lovely thought struck me. I would marry. I would get married to a woman doctor who had plenty of money and a good medical practice. She had to be fat for a valid reason. If I made some silly mistake and needed to run away, she would not be able to run after me and catch me. With such thoughts in my mind, I resumed my seat in the chair in the front of the table. Then there were no more sounds from the above. Suddenly, there came a dull thud as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. Surely nothing to worry about. Even so, I thought I would turn around and take a look. No sooner had I turned than a fat snake wriggled over the back of the chair and landed on my shoulder. The snake's landing on me and my turning were simultaneous. Now this is our passage, children. Now choose the correct answers for the following questions. Here 10 questions are asked. You are supposed to answer these questions. The first question is, the theme of the first paragraph is. The second question is, what is or the decisions made by the doctor. The third question is, the narrator says again and again. Fourth question is, according to the narrator, to look more handsome, beautiful, one should keep dash on the face. In the line, I made another earth-shaking decision. The naming word is. Sixth question is, the doctor wanted a dash wife. Our seventh question is, suddenly there came a dull thud. The word underlined is. Eighth question is, the doctor wanted to marry. Ninth question, though he was a doctor, he had a bad habit. It was. Our 10th question is, even after hearing third sound, the doctor wasn't worried because such sounds were dash. Now these are our 10 questions, children. We are supposed to answer this question. Now Let us read the passage once again. Read the passage once again, children. Take some time and read the passage once again. Now, let us do the answers for this. Check whether your answers are correct. Our first question is, the theme of the first paragraph is, yes, your answer is correct, children. It's A, self-admiration. He is admiring himself. Now, let us go for the second question. What are the decisions made by the doctor? He made few decisions in this passage, children, like to shave daily, to grow a thin mustache, to keep attractive smile. So, all these answers are correct. So, our second answer will be D, all the above. Now, let us go to our third question. The narrator says again and again. Here, children, two sentences are repeated here. That is, for A, I am a bachelor and a doctor, and C, noise from the above. So, our correct answer will be D, A and C. I am a bachelor and a doctor, and noise from the above. These two sentences are repeated in the passage. Now, let us go to fourth question. According to the narrator, to look more handsome, beautiful, one should keep dash on the face. Yes, your answer is correct, children. It is smile, option C. Our fourth answer is option C, smile. See the fifth question. In the line, I made another earth-shaking decision. Let me repeat the question. Question 5. In the line, I made another earth-shaking decision. The naming word is, yes, it's B, earth-shaking. Our sixth question is, the doctor wanted a dash wife. Yes, your answer is correct, children. He wanted to marry a fat woman so that if he makes any mistake, he can run easily. See the seventh question. Suddenly there came a dull thud. The word underline is, here the word suddenly is underlined and it is describing an action. So our answer will be C. Let us go to eighth question. The doctor wanted to marry. Yes, your answer is correct, children. It's D, option D, a doctor. The doctor wanted to marry a woman doctor. Now, ninth question is, though he was a doctor, he had a bad habit. It was, yes, exactly true. The answer is A, doing silly mistakes. See the last question. Even after hearing third sound, the doctor wasn't worried because such sounds were, answer is A, familiar to him. He was familiar with such sounds. So, I hope all of you have done the correct answers, children. Check your answers. Let me repeat once again. This is our worksheet 2. First answer is A, second answer is D, third answer is also D, fourth answer is C, fifth answer is B, sixth answer is C, seventh answer is also C, eighth answer D, ninth one is A, and 10th one is also A. If you have done any mistake, children, make these changes and write the passage in your notes. Now, you are going to do another passage as homework. You have to read this passage thoroughly and you have to answer these questions. In our next video, I am going to give you these answers. Plus, I am going to give you another passage. So, read the lesson very thoroughly, children, and answer these questions. And write this passage also in your classwork. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching.